In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule launches and cutoffs in Schedule in Basecamp. We'll walk through how to plan a product launch or a content cutoff so your team knows exactly what's happening and when. Launches are the moments you release something new. Cutoffs, sometimes called freezes, are the points where you stop changes so you can prepare for release. Basecamp's schedule tool brings those moments into a shared calendar so everyone stays aligned. Start by opening the project where you want to plan the launch or cutoff. Inside that project, click the Schedule tab. This opens a calendar that shows every event you create, alongside any to-dos that have due dates. It's a great way to see how your launch or cutoff lines up with other work already in motion. To add your plan, click plus New Event at the top of the schedule. If you're already looking at the calendar grid, you can also click Add an Event beneath it. This opens the event form, where you'll give your launch or cutoff a clear structure. For the title, use something instantly recognizable like Product Launch or Content Freeze, Cutoff. Consistent naming makes the calendar easier to scan. Next, pick the date, the actual day you intend to launch, or the day the cutoff takes effect. If you have exact timing, add a start and end time. If you're treating it as an all-day moment, you can leave the time blank and it will appear as an all-day event. A quick tip: if your team spans multiple time zones, choose times that work for the majority and clarify any expectations in the description. In the description, add the key context people will need. You might include a link to release notes, the criteria that must be met before the cutoff, or a short checklist of launch day instructions. The more precise this is, the fewer surprises you'll have later. Under Who's Involved, add the teammates who need to know about or attend the launch. They'll receive notifications automatically, so only include those who truly need the signal to avoid noise. When everything looks good, click Post this event. Your launch or cutoff will now appear on the project calendar. Basecamp also helps you stay on track with built-in reminders. All-day events get a reminder at 9 a.m. on the day of the event. Timed events trigger 2 reminders, 1 day before and 1 hour before the start time. These nudges keep the momentum going and give everyone a heads up at the right moments. That's it. Your launch or cutoff is scheduled, visible to the team, and supported by smart reminders.